Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, chicken, potato and tomato stew. Very simple. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So we're going to need one whole chicken cut into parts, some potatoes, a can of tomatoes, onions, garlic, a little bit of chili to taste, cumin, paprika, some tomato paste, and we're going to start this off with a touch of oil. So in a pan, let's just fry the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now that we've got a little bit of color on the chicken, we can now add the onions, the garlic, our spices, some salt, and our potatoes. Let's throw this around in the pan for about another 4 to 5 minutes. This really is very simple. At this stage, we're now going to add that can of tomatoes, the tomato paste or puree, whatever you call it, those fresh chilies, and a little water. We're going to bring that to the boil. Once it reaches boiling point, we're going to lower it, not to a simmer, above a simmer, and let it go for about 10 minutes. And there you go, a really simple, lovely chicken, potato, tomato stew. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.